this is
Sure.
the most unique one that I've kind of run into, and I've really pushed away from it, but I have a lot of my local people that want me to wash their business rugs, those big rubber
Oh,
things. I have turned people down. I kind of leave that to those, the Eagle distributors or I can't think of another company that shuttles those things in. Your guys' opinion, do you wash those? I mean, what do you guys feel about that?
We
Monica's
do.
shaking her head. You wash them.
We do. That's about all I can tell you is we do.
Do you have a
Um,
special machine for it though?
we have commercial washers, right? Like everything that we do, almost everything we do is commercial now. So we have some larger equipment, definitely.
Yeah, I just don't want to trash these brand new machines. And I mean, my biggest is a 60 pounder, but yeah, I just didn't feel comfortable throwing something like that. I mean, a, a bath mat can maybe handle 3 or 4 washes in my machine. And then I'm like, nope, you can't put it in there anymore. You'll blow up my machine.
Yeah.
Anyone else
It,
on here do the business, like the rugs that are in businesses, those heavy with, I know what you're talking about, the kind of rubber around it.
Mm. I peak a lot on industrial laundry. So we do a lot of oil filled, oil and gas, construction, where things are mechanics, greasy rugs, things like that. Um, if anybody has any advice to offer on that, so far I've got a system that I think is working, but you just don't get that stuff clean all the way.